We've got a crazy, crazy lineup of supercars. These are just a few of them. I mean, look at this. This is just insane. Are you guys ready? 2 Lamborghini Sians, only 63 coupes made, a Huayra Roadster, an exposed blue tinted satin carbon fiber. I believe this one was the Geneva motor show car. I think it's my first time seeing it. I love the Italian flag detail on the carbon mirror. And then we've got Sparky's Agera XS. I saw this one, was it yesterday or 2 days ago at Prestige Imports, and they brought all the cars here to a parking garage. So nice. This is definitely one of my dream cars, and it has been for many, many, many years. And Sparky's Big Bird Huayra Roadster in yellow with blue exposed carbon fiber. That's so nice. I've seen this one a few times as well, both of these. And then over here, we've got even more hypercars. We've got Ultimo, Pagani Huayra, the 1 of 40 Bugatti Divo, $6 million, and the Huayra Roadster BC. I believe this one's Grigio Clemente, with these really cool green accents and blue accents on the interior. It says BC on the headrests. Nice touch. Yeah, this lineup is insane. I haven't even taken it all in yet. We're just getting content, trying to get every possible angle and every possible video. Yes, this is in Miami. I mean, it's just insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, guys, what's your favorite out of all of them that I showed? With the Veyron over there, Rosso Dubai Huayra Coupe over here. That's a factory spec, by the way, with satin PPF to give it the satin look for the gray. But that whole thing is factory, which shocked me, and it has a blue interior, blue and black. So I want you guys to comment which one is your favorite. What's up, John? What's up, Ron? Out of all these, which one's your favorite? I'll keep panning so you guys can see the options. Between the Divo and the Pagani next to it. Well, which Pagani? Because it's sandwiched between 2 Paganis. This is just insane. I really, really love this one. You've got the matte silver paints, and then you've got exposed carbon all along the side here. And the roof scoop with the yellow outline to match the yellow calipers. I love those details. We got some people saying Divo, Ultimo, Sparky's. Yes, I love Sparky's cars. Yeah, it's a crazy time here in Miami for the Miami Concours. Tomorrow, big show day. It's going to be pretty much all day. Well, this one isn't exposed carbon. It's actually painted Grigio Lynx with satin PPF. But I think Lamborghini Miami delivered an exposed carbon Sion as well. But yeah, believe it or not, this guy owns a second Sion in London, which is just insane. And then this one's a Rancho Atlas for sale for $4 million. Came from Lamborghini Palm Beach yesterday. Now it's here in Miami. Yeah, all of these are here for the show. All of these will be here at the show tomorrow. Which Pagani do you want me to show again? Because there's 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's try to get a good shot of the Divo here. These are not for sale. These are all privately owned. Yeah, the XS is amazing. I love that car with the metallic red paints. I think this is my third time seeing this one. My second time seeing this one. I got photos of it at night in the dealership. And I've seen this one maybe 3 times. And then those 3 times as well. First time seeing that, second time seeing that, and third time seeing that. Probably third time seeing that, and third time seeing that as well. Let's check out the view here. Wow. Beautiful view in Miami. I know, it's kind of crazy that I've actually seen all these. Well, to be fair, like I saw some of them for the first time yesterday or 2 days ago. But yeah, it's crazy that I've seen most of these multiple times. I mean, most of them are, actually all of them are from Prestige Imports, so I saw them at the dealer and then they just drove them here. But yeah, this is crazy. I can't stop looking at this one. Exposed teal tinted carbon fiber body, and believe it or not, this teal part down here is actually wrapped, which shocked me when I found out the other day. Oh no, nobody's gonna steal it, don't worry. There's security, they're protected. Gotta protect the babies. What's my favorite? You know, that's a good question. I want to say, no, I can't say the Scions. That'd be crazy of me to say that, because I can recognize super special cars when I see them, and the Scion, it's just not up there with the Devo and the Wyra BC. Actually, this is my favorite right here. It's a no-brainer. Koenigsegg all day, every day. And that's coming from a Lamborghini fan. I'm obsessed with this thing. Just look at these fender movers. This car's to die for. Agera XS. It just looks like an alien, and I love how curved the windshield is. And just how smooth these lines are. With the intake right here and the exposed carbon part, and then you got the paint. Got a little bit of everything here. Got Pagani, Koenigsegg, Bugatti, Lamborghini. Yeah. We're missing Ferrari. So we need a LaFerrari. What color would you pick? For a LaFerrari. For LaFerrari to be here, which color would you like to see here?
Red or yellow.
Red or yellow? Okay. I'm going blue.
Blue?
I'm going blue. Because then we could line up this one, and a blue LaFerrari. That would be epic.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm shocked there's no LaFerraris here. Maybe they're too common for this lineup. Because if you think about it, this is one of 40, I believe. Also one of 40, one of 100. One of 100, technically one of 1 because it's the XS. One of 100, one of 63, one of 63, one of 100, and I'm not sure how many they made of that. Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. But yeah, these are all super rare. So as you can tell by the title of the video, it's roughly $50 million in cars. 45 million is the conservative number, but probably 50. This one has silver calipers. I don't believe that one's a Mansory. I asked them and they said it's not. I thought it was at first, but apparently there's a similar one in California that is Mansory, and this one is not that. Yeah, I'll be out there tomorrow. 11 to 5 a.m. you guys could see these cars in the Miami Design District. Alright guys, I'll pick back up tomorrow. Have a good night.